I know you don't need that, but some beginning operators
Yeah,
or even
they do.
slightly mid-sized to experienced operators sometimes benefit from that.
I would love to join, maybe bring some value there too.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
We would love to have you over and talk to our mastermind. Let's have a
Yeah.
separate independent discussion on
Yes.
that. Yeah,
Yes.
absolutely. And then we have a social network
Hmm.
divided into multiple channels. We use Slack, like a lot of people.
Hmm.
We
Hmm.
have channels dedicated to legal, dedicated to compliance, dedicated to marketing, dedicated to CRMs and fund strategies. And there is a
Hmm.
lot of networking and connections going on. And what happens there is our vision someday is to have your entire deal funded within the Avastar platform. Come in
Sure.
here, we have capital allocators and we have
Hmm.
sponsors. Match the two, and then why even go outside the Avastar platform someday, right?
Yeah.
And then we have financial models which tell you how you make money on the customizable fund.
Hmm.
Everything you can do in the syndications, you can do and more. And then we have deep down training sessions. I mean,
Yeah.
typically, because there's a new model, right? There's almost like a franchise
Yeah.
model. When you buy a McDonald's franchise or a Burger King
Hmm.
franchise, they give you a complete package and training. That's kind of
Right.
what we do. We have a 2 day on site class and we also
Yes.
have a 10-week self-paced course taught by Lance Pedersen, the former founder of Verivest, who was also a strategic advisor to the company. And
Hmm.
that talks about fund positioning, your pitch deck. And then the last thing we do, and I'll pause after this to see if you have any questions.
Yes. Yes.
We negotiate, you can present your deals to other fund managers and they
That's
can
what.
bring their
Yeah.
investors to your deal. Now, of course,
Hmm.
you have a great network of direct investors. That's the best way to raise money. But sometimes, if
Yes.
you have a very large deal and you want to raise from others very rapidly and you want to close the
Sure.
deal, you can
Hmm.
present your deal to other fund managers and they can present their deal to you. And we have dedicated
Yes.
sessions for that.
Sure.
And not only that, we negotiate with top tier sponsors in every asset class: mobile home parks, self storage, retail, hospitality,
Hmm.
multifamily. And we negotiate collective terms for our fund managers. Think
I
of us
see.
like the Costco model where we negotiate preferred terms. What I mean by that is maybe we have a multifamily operator who's giving us a 90-10 split. So
Wow.
even if four fund managers collectively raise $2 million, everyone raises only 400 or 500K each, they get
Yeah.
the $2 million split. They can keep 15-20% and pass the rest to the investors. So it's the value proposition of all these three things combined which makes Avestar the incredible value it offers. It's the
I love
technology
it.
and the portal. It is the network, the deal calls and the Slack channels and everything else. And it's
Hmm.
the end-to-end concierge services which package everything into one unified whole,
This is very exciting. Please, if you go back to the one slide, that is
Sure.
so well you shared end to end, concierge level support in starting the fund. In just like, I mean, you were lightning speed. I texted you. I said, I cannot believe I just signed up and my whole portal is ready. Your team is standing by so quickly and it's so well oiled machine. I'm very impressed, very impressed. Just want to
Thank you,
say
Vinny.
that.
That's
Just
coming from you. I know you have used a lot of these portals, so I really,
I
that's
have
great praise. I appreciate it. So,
totally. And same Michael also, our SEC attorney. I mean, he's been texting and we are talking and his team. And I've already filled out. He sent me a draft of the PPM within 2 days. I couldn't believe it.